Communities are complex networks of people, relationships, and institutions, and elected boards are at the center of it all. Governance management for education and local government is no small task. You want to streamline the governance process, build trust through transparency, and positively impact your community. But administrative inefficiencies, increasing public scrutiny, and heightened security concerns are slowing you down. Enter Diligent Community. Brought to you by the trusted team behind BoardDocs, it's the next-generation governance solution tailored for public and elected boards. Diligent Community empowers you to create and manage your agenda effortlessly. Picture this: a simple drag-and-drop agenda builder that adapts to your unique needs. Create a customized workflow to allow submission of agenda items from across your organization, and easily assign and update designated or alternate approvers to keep items flowing. You can preview both public and private agendas before publishing, and even schedule the agenda release for a specific date to comply with your organization's open meetings requirements. Let's face it, ensuring that public meetings run smoothly is a key part of your responsibility. With Diligent Community, you can engage participants and execute your meetings more efficiently. Project the agenda and attachments onto the screen to follow along, while easily capturing meeting minutes and keeping detailed records of every motion and vote, whether digital or manual. The governance of public organizations is a 24/7 job. Access Diligent Community on any device, ensuring seamless connectivity wherever you are. Receive text or email notifications upon agenda release for a quick and easy way to stay informed. Access documents directly on your mobile device, or print full agenda packets with attachments in a single step. Board members can review and annotate agendas and supporting documents privately with confidence, using purpose-built tools backed by industry-leading security. Keep your community informed with a single source for meeting agendas, live stream broadcasts, minutes, and policies. Members of the public can experience the added benefits of powerful search tools to easily find information, request to speak during public comment sections, and subscribe to meeting notifications so they never miss a beat. The integrated calendar enables positive public engagement for an inclusive experience that reflects your commitment to building trust and transparency, all while maintaining ADA accessibility standards for all of your public and elected boards' published information. As public needs shift, Diligent Community is here with enhanced capabilities that go beyond the essentials. These add-on features are a powerful set of tools for public and elected boards, providing a tailored fit for your organization's advanced needs. From creation to approval, Policy Publisher effortlessly guides policies through each stage of your organization's policy lifecycle. Draft, review, and adopt policies, and publish to your online handbook with integrated Microsoft Office tools for seamless staff collaboration. Simplify your policy records and public requests. Policy Publisher for Diligent Community maintains an auditable version history and timeline for each policy. Committee Manager allows for seamless control and enhanced collaboration. Effortlessly manage multiple governing bodies and leverage the same powerful tools for distinct groups, easily maintaining permissions and access for committee members. But that's not all. Empower your community by enabling them to subscribe to notifications for meetings or specific committees and working groups. Livestream Manager lets you engage your community with the seamless integration of live stream video, where timestamps and live closed captioning improve transparency and accessibility. Embed video alongside agendas and meetings, enabling the public to stay in the loop no matter where they are or what device they're on. The call for transparency, efficiency, and accountability is louder than ever. With over 2 decades of knowledge and innovation for public and elected boards, Diligent Community is the next-generation governance solution, designed to modernize the experience for your staff, board members, and the public. Are you ready to experience the future of governance for education and local government? Diligent Community by Diligent, the leading governance, risk, and compliance SaaS platform, trusted by over 750,000 board members worldwide.